In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify data to Looker Studio step by step so you can build dashboards without manual exports. Start from your Looker Studio home, click Create, and choose Data Source. In the Connector Gallery, search for Shopify and review the available partner connectors, since direct integration isn't built in. Each connector varies in metrics, pricing, and data limits, so check if it supports orders, products, and customer data you need. Select a connector, click Authorize, and follow the setup, usually requiring access to your Shopify store and permissions approval. Make sure you're connecting the correct store and only select necessary datasets to keep things efficient. After syncing, your data source will appear and be ready for reporting. Keep in mind, data accuracy depends on the connector you choose, so always verify key metrics. Subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.